All right, guys, we're gonna be talking about the pound cat, and this is gonna be, I think, I got two more to go, and that's pretty much it for the week. I think two more. Anyhow, um, pound cat is an interesting one. As a matter of fact, the pound dollar and the pound cat and the euro pound are actually really, really interesting for me. All right, um, coming out of monthly support, coming out of weekly support. I'm sorry, coming out of weekly resistance, monthly. Sorry, guys. Let me start this again. Coming out of monthly resistance, coming out of weekly resistance. All right. So this is a chart that's it's just it looks like it's working on. I mean, on every single level here. And this is really rare because the pound CAD, pound Aussie, pretty much all these cross pairs, their volatility just like right here, right? You see how they just don't respect them as well, but it's looking really attractive for me. Okay, let's go ahead and break it down. Um, daily supply. I love this level, by the way. I really love that level. That big 175, I love it. Um, I wrote that line, and it looks it's coming down to this level already. So at this point, I'm not interested because we should expect a pullback. We should really expect a pullback. So the question comes in is that since we did get a 4-hour breakout, okay, I don't know why this line is. I think actually, yeah, that's actually. Did I have it here or did I have it here? At any rate, it's already, it doesn't really matter here or there. I mean, you already got the confirmation. Whether you're waiting for the 4-hour candle to close below or for if you want to be more precautious, it doesn't matter. You already got the breakout for you to actually go ahead and short this pair, right? The question is, where are you going to short it from? Because we're expecting a pullback, right? So that's a nice pullback level, okay? That's a hell of a nice pullback level. So I'd be looking to go short right around this 72.50 area, okay? I'll be looking to go short right around that 72.50 area or the 75 area. And I'm really interested in that 70. Give me a second. Let me take a look at my other charts. 72.50. What do I see? They're actually 72.25 through 72.75. Let me go ahead and draw this level out. 72.25. Through 72. What is it? Um, Sorry, 25, 75, 72, 75. Actually, that entire zone. 25, 75. Actually, no, it's a 73, 25. Sorry about that, guys. I'm looking at my other charts because I have the lower time frames, the 1 hour on the other chart, and it's just going to be too much for me if I try to actually explain everything in one chart right here. So that would be the entire zone. Not that I'm necessarily going to be putting an overnight, but because of the extreme volatility of this pair, I'm going to be waiting for the shakeout right here. And then for the once I start seeing the breakout happening, yeah, I'm really going to be interested in this pair. If it seems that it's just shaking out, and then keep on bouncing higher, I'm not doing anything. I'm waiting for this level to actually come up. So yeah, at that point, I'm just waiting for that level to come up, and then shake out, and then bring it back down. Here comes the problem though that sometimes I actually encounter. That if we get the shakeout right here, we're doing so much, so much of the where we're just stalling. Eventually, all that stalling is creating demand right there for the next breakout. So if this level works out, and then it decides to come back down, well, all that shakeout, what happened, all that stalling, created demand. That's gonna be another thing that you're gonna have to focus. But we don't know yet. We don't know until it actually until once that happens. I mean, the last thing we want is for the shakeout to happen here and then breaking out. What we want is for the shakeout to happen here and then we break down. We come back down because if it does that, then yeah, I don't think you see anything coming. I don't think I saw anything actually. I mean, we might just break off this level. So just kind of be cautious about this. And then where's my next opposing level is right around that 65.50 area. I don't see anything. Maybe on the lower time frames, you'll start looking at daily demand. Let me see if we have any daily demand on the lower time frames. Um, 70. I'm sorry about, yeah, it's 68. Wow, it looks like a pretty clean ride. Not a clean ride, but I mean, we're definitely going to hit some turbulence right around your. Why is not? Oh, there you go. The 70. We're definitely going to hit some turbulence right around here, uh, and then from right there, expect another shakeout for the continuation. But this is actually a pair that I'm really interested in, guys. It's just that this is one of those where you're just gonna have to be patient and wait to see if this level is gonna give you the shakeout for you to drop it down. So just because the reward on this is gonna be really good if you could bear with the patience, and then sometimes not just with forget about the patience actually with this pair, it's the pullbacks that it gives you. I mean, you're not talking about a 25, 30 pip pullback. Sometimes you're talking about 75 pips pullback. I did that, I think, on the pound Aussie last week, where I was shorting the pound Aussie. The game plan was set. I had a 75 pip stop loss. It gave me like a 60 pip pullback, just like within 3 4 minutes. It just gave me a quick pullback, and I just stuck to I just stuck to my guts, and not my guts, but my game plan, and it never did stop me. It actually gave me into profit. I didn't take the exact target I wanted to because it was Friday, but I didn't get stopped out, but I actually did ended up taking a win on that one. So I guess that's what I'm trying to say, guys. It's just kind of wait once you develop your game plan, commit to that game plan. All right. I'll see you guys on the next video. This is the Pound Guy, guys. We'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.